night, Tiffy was setting off ready to go and help them fix the fireduck. And he sets off very nice and calm and slowly. And he got so excited he's retiring to be a coach, small like coach train. So he truffs off joyfully. But every single Halloween night, something terrible happens. After Timothy drugs, he started to feel weird closes his eyes, screaming very loud, but the driver didn't know about it until Timothy speeds a little bit. Then, at the stop, he turns into the demon form himself and says, "Time to go," and rushes off straight line, laughing. Then the driver said, "Timothy, what are you doing?" Timothy didn't reply at all. He keeps on laughing across the whole bridge, going faster and faster past one of the other construction sites with supplies. He keeps on laughing, laughing, rushing very fast. They tried to brake, but it's no use. Timothy keeps on laughing monically, very evilly, at the same time rushing very fast. Then they rush past an old construction site for a new site soon, and he sees the track chain and sorrow. Oh bother! Then it was still like late. He falls and crashes, and that's where he lies for now and forever, until one day he will resurrect as the ghost of this railway.